Hello, welcome to Lenze training. This tutorial is about the Servo Inverter i700 Teachware case. In this example, a project named PLC Base Motion PRG is opened. The controller 3200C serves as PLC device. When selecting Visio Teachware case, the hardware setup of the Teachware case is displayed. In this Teachware case, a controller 3200C with onboard I/Os are used. There are also two servo inverters of the i700 series with power supply module. One inverter is a single axis and the other one is a double axis. The single-axis inverter, named Drive 2, is connected to a servo motor named Axis Z. This motor is equipped with a holding brake. The double-axis inverter, named Drive 1, is connected to two servo motors named Axis Y and Axis X. These motors are not equipped with a holding brake. The Y-axis is connected in channel A and the X-axis is connected in channel B. MCS06C60 is the name of all servo motors in this Teachware case. 1311 is the C86 code of the motors. The line supply voltage is single-phase 230 volt AC. The traversing range of all soft motion axes is of type 0, meaning they are modulo axis.